Attention, small businesses in the US and Canada. Have you been rejected for funding by the big banks or the SBA? Well, if they can help you, we usually can. I'm George Estromero, independent agent for David Allen Capital, and we have all these services that you can see in the video that you could take advantage of. Also, there is a business opportunity that's free to start. You'll be a hero to small businesses. Just check out all these services that we offer, not just business funding, but payment processing and healthcare and a whole bunch of other things. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to it.